Wilmington ground 5527 Juliet.
Number 27 Juliet, still with tower.
Wilmington Tower, 630 Sierra Fox, wind check.
Wind 050 at 8.
They should remove this.
I don't think I've ever seen anyone use these before.
In this plane, they ask us, even the POH tells me to like maintain a 75 on the approach, but if you go like less than 80, what will happen is that the elevator won't be responsive. So that's why the chief pilot Jeff and everyone in the school, they have specifically for Cirrus told us to have an approach speed of 85, 90, you know, somewhere around that. The faster it is, the better. That's why this plane was not used. Yeah. All the time.
November 00 Foxtrot, turn left on runway 35, left at Charlie, no delay on the runway.
Left on 35, left on Charlie, no delay, 6300 Fox.
November 00 Foxtrot, contact ground point 9er, thanks for your help.
Ground 121.9 or 6300 Fox, no problem. 121.9. Your controls, and then you talk to ground, yeah.
What do I say to ground?
Wilmington ground, November 630 Sierra Fox is holding short at Charlie. Would like taxi to Modern Navy.
96 Tango Delta, turn left on hotel, then right on runway 35.
Left on hotel, right on 35 for 96 Tango Delta.
Wilmington ground, 630 Sierra Fox, holding short of runway 35 at Charlie. Would like taxi to Modern Aviation.
Sir 630 Sierra Fox, drive Wilmington ground, taxi straight ahead to parking. Have a good one.
Straight ahead to parking. Have a good one. 630 Sierra Fox.
After landing checklist, fuel boost pump is coming off. Flaps are coming up. Mixture is coming lean. Clear right, clear straight, clear left.
Number 6 Tango Delta, turn left at Charlie, then Charlie Bravo Golf, hold short of runway 6 at Golf.
I think we can park between those two planes, correct?
Yeah,
I think this plane is parked very incorrectly. I believe so.
If there's a full line, they'll park them there, but I guess they moved some planes and just haven't moved this one yet.
Yeah, we can like go like this.
Yeah, go around them.
Yeah. So how was your experience of Cirrus?
It's nice. The only thing I don't like about this is that there's no nose wheel steering. It's all with brakes. It just feels weird.
There's this thing for helicopter. Yeah, you have to apply brakes as well.